here in my room, just got the 3080, and well, you know, I'm going to show you guys how to get the 3080 just like I did. An average person, I remember growing up, I didn't have, you know, much success in life. Ignore that. Either way, this is my room, by the way. So I want to show you, and I want to give this information for free because I know there's a lot of people that are struggling to get the 3080, and I want to help them. So I'm hosting a free seminar. It's free, but it's only limited to 20 people. So click the link below and I'll show you guys how I got the 3080. I mean, it's living proof that it's possible. You guys, I'm going to show you the links. I'm going to show you everything that I did, what I prepared, how I did it. Yeah. I'm going to be showing you guys 3 resources that I used to gain an advantage, which isn't really an advantage because our bots are still active and they're still buying stuff. So this is the stuff that I highly recommend you use if you're serious about getting a 3080. So I'm going to be showing you guys this one website right here, and let me actually hit the record button here. But anyways, guys, first website that you want to check out is Hot Stocks. Hot Stocks is the way I was able to get the AMD 5900X. Okay, so basically what you do here is you make an account. Okay, so basically these are the items that are popular, but you want a 3080. So what you can do is get 3080 right here in the search bar, put that one, and then you put the Founders Edition. Depends on which type of graphics card model style. I'd actually prefer this one, but I got the one that I could get in time. But I mean, it ain't bad. It's just way more expensive than the OG one, and I would have liked this one instead. But either way, all you have to do is click the red button, alert me. Of course, you got to make an account, and it'll alert you, bro. It'll alert you, and it's constantly checking. I don't know if that's fake, but it's constantly checking. I don't need this because I already got one. Nah, I'm just kidding, bro. I mean, I do have one, but like, I'm not gonna like rub it in your face. On to the next move. What you gotta do is find somebody that has a live stream that basically checks it for you, and you can watch this basically all day, or just have it running in the background of your phone or your desktop. Keep it on at night, turn the volume up, and it's here, bro. Falcadron, I'm pretty sure that's how you pronounce it. I don't know. This is how I was able to get the 3080, and it wasn't on YouTube. This is for the 59,000s. From what I'm seeing right now, this is all from the 59,000s. Here on Twitch, that's where the 3080s are, and this is where you want to be. And anything of the chat, I don't condone. So all I'm saying is go for this. Go for the Twitch. Yeah, go for the Twitch. From what you can tell, if he has this little side right here that tells you which websites had what item, and for the majority of the part, Newegg is the only one that has been giving out, you know, the 3080s in time for people to react. And so that's my third resource, the Newegg Twitter site. This is where you'll find the announcements. But here, like, check this one out. It says some available now, 19 hours ago. Obviously, I didn't know that, or else I would have bought it, because who wouldn't buy another one? They basically do this like every couple of, I don't know, like, they probably do this like once a month or like once a week. I don't know how much time they do it, but like, this is really helpful from their part. But the only bad part is the combos. So basically you gotta buy something that you don't need, in order for you to sell it, I mean, in order for them to sell it to you, so they're kind of making a little bit of more cash because they know that we're desperate for the 3080s, which is a little bit bad on their part. But you know, if you're this desperate like I was, you know, because I was trying to build a PC a long time ago, but I was waiting for the 3080, and I was super disappointed when it said out of stock. So doing this is a kind of like a desperate move, but not too desperate because you're not breaking the bank by that much. Now, I would highly recommend this if you're thinking about building a PC, because this is what I did and this is what I used to get the power supply, which is, let me see if I can find it. It was this one right here. Yes sir, it was this one, and it came with a Cold War. You don't even need to know about that. I believe that's it. These are 3 resources that I used to grind on. Just keep checking them every day. Talk to the community. These people are not they're not bad. I mean, they're not like, they ain't gonna bully you, you know. They know what they're doing. They're pretty smart, and you can get some helpful insight from them, especially when you're building a new PC like I was. Don't give up, bruv. I know it's super hard, but once you do get it, it's super duper satisfying. And yeah, I recommend this, and do the same thing for all these, for the AMD chips. That's how I got the 59,000. That's how I got the 3080. Just literally dedication to actually achieving this. Okay, some little things to mention before we close this video out. Basically, a tip would be to have your credit card information already on the website, like Newegg. Already have it ready, just so the transaction can go by faster. And yeah, another tip would be check your internet connection. That's something that I should have told you guys first, but anyways, just go to fast.com either way and just check your internet connection, and like make sure it's, I really don't know what the limit is, but at least 100. I don't know. Use an Ethernet cord, something you should also do. Okay, and the last tip would be to visualize it. I know it sounds weird, but basically see yourself with 3080. This is some kind of like spiritual stuff, but basically see it, know which one you're getting. I was originally going for the Founders Edition, but I went for this one because I was just trying to click fast. But basically, like, see yourself with a 3080, know about it, like, just visualize it, because I'm pretty sure it helps, even though it probably doesn't. I don't know, law of attraction, you decide, you know. But I honestly think just, you know, acting like you already got it, acting that, you know, you're about to get it, that you're so close to getting it, and that you will get it eventually, is something to have the mindset of, to get it. Whether it be positive or negative, you know, it's something that's very helpful. And I believe that these are all the tips that I know that will help you achieve the 3080, the 3090, the 3070, the 59,000, 5950, the 5600. So basically, do all that. I got the 5900 on Amazon, and doing the instant buy, you know, the buy now button, use that. And one more thing, if it doesn't work, keep spamming it for like a minute or so, especially on Newegg and Amazon. Just keep trying that out, and you'll see that it'll eventually work out. And just don't give up. And I've been there, I've seen it all, but it's possible. If I could do it, literally anyone can do it, honestly. Just be ready to have the money, you know, eventually. Oh crap, the last tip. And another tip would be to use a credit card so you can get bonus points, sign up bonuses. And I know I'm not a financial advisor, so don't take this as personal financial advice. I'm not responsible, entertainment purposes only. Either way, just use a credit card that you own already, or that honestly get a new one, because most of them have like a sign up bonuses, especially if you spend like $1,000 or more, which is roughly the price of a 3080 on the combo websites, plus taxes. So if you get this one, it'll be like $1,012 probably. And guess what? If you have I should have told you this one. Well, if you have a credit card that has a $200 bonus on it, basically you'll pay $800 for the 3080 plus the power supply. So that will save you money on it. Of course, that's something more advanced for people who, you know what they're doing with their money. So yeah, that's gonna be it, guys. I'm gonna wrap it up. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys do enjoy this video, make sure to subscribe. Let me know in the comment section with your helpful tips, as well as hit the notification bell button. And I think that's it. I'll see you guys later. I am going to be messing around with my social media accounts now. I think I'm going to try to do Twitch live streams. It's not guaranteed, but you know, it's something that I'd like to try out. So either way, I'll let you guys know on Instagram. I'll let you guys know on Twitter maybe. I don't really use Twitter a lot. But yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this, let me know. And I'll try to help you guys out as much as possible because, dude, I'm so grateful for a 3080. And while I don't, show it off a lot, I am happy. And, this is the PC that I wanted. So I'm super happy for that I was able to get it. I'm not complaining or anything. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you. Hasta luego. Okay, I shouldn't have done that. Oh, one more thing that I forgot to tell you guys is this. Well, I'm just gonna tell you guys which credit card I recommend, which I should have told you guys a long time ago. Well, in the video, this is just an update. Either way, I'd go for this one, the U.S. Bank Altitude Visa card, because it has the $1,000 that you have to spend the first 90 days, so you're time limited, but the value is $250. So that means you'll get the 3080 with the combo for like $800, which wouldn't be the retail price, but it's better than doing all the whole $1,000. Investigate credit cards, look into that. Of course, if you're younger than 18, well, you probably can't get it. I mean, you can get one, but you will have to have a guardian and whatnot. So don't take this as financial advice, because I am not a professional and I am not responsible for your purchases and your defaults and your all that crazy stuff that can get intense if you don't know how to use a credit card responsibly. So just wanted to let you know that. And forgot to tell you, VPNs, I don't know if you should use them when buying when trying to buy a 3080. I think that it'd be a bad idea, because if you think about it, a VPN takes you from one server to another server, and then that server takes you to the website. So I'm pretty sure that's how VPNs work. Correct me if I'm wrong, because then you can just cancel and scrap this idea that I'm telling you. Because honestly, like going from a server to another server, especially if you have a free VPN, that's gonna take longer than if you just use your normal server that uses the closest one, which is faster, honestly. Because if you're trying to go from, I don't know, a Florida, say you live in Florida, and you're trying to reach like a Texas server, like that's how I understand it. Like, I don't understand why someone would go from Florida, try to go to Houston, and then from Houston try to go to the website. I mean, that's how I see it. Of course, I don't know a lot about VPNs, but I'm pretty sure that's what a VPN does. It takes you to different servers, and I just think that'd be a bad idea. And so that's it. That's all the updates.